Okay, one of the great abilities that first came out with generative AI was actually grabbing long videos and turning them into short form. There has been no better app than Opus Clip for this until today. I still think it holds true. And not only that, Opus Clip has grown incredible, but we do have a challenger, and the challenger is Clap. Let's go check it out. So watch the glare here, please. Clap is a challenger for the title of best long to short form video. So let's go check it out and see what it can do. Okay, so I've done videos before, about 3 videos before on Opus Clip. Go check it out if you want to know all the different details and stuff. Today, I'm just going to hit you up with all the different capabilities that it has and compare it against Clap. We're also going to compare with the surprise app, which I'm going to give you a surprise here. All right, so let's go take a look at what Opus Clip can do. Opus Clip is amazing. Opus Clip actually has, if you notice here, what you're seeing here, it looks like the YouTube channel. It's not really. What it is actually you give it a link. This is how this works. You grab a link from your video, whether it sits in YouTube, Rumble, Facebook, anything else. Pretty much now they cover most social media apps. And you drop that link in there, and then it will process the video and give you shorts. And this is what it looks like. So the last video I did, which is the Google Flow video, comes out here. Here's another note. Now this happens automatically. So when you publish out of if you get your channel connected, when you publish in your channel, then the long videos come here and automatically get cut off. Like, that's incredible. That's actually a great cutoff step. So Opus Clip has been improving. It has the advantage of being the first one, and it has the advantage of improving all that time. It has the capabilities for you to publish to social media. You can download the videos and edit them. It's also a very, very capable editor. So when you click edit on this, you can change the layout. So for example, you were doing a video in a corporate setting or somewhere else, family, whatever the case, it was a 16:9 ratio video. There you go. That's a landscape, right? But if you wanted to turn it to pop it in LinkedIn or Instagram, there you go. You have this as well. So as you can see, this is an amazing tool. It has many capabilities in terms of changing the layout and cropping what is shown. So, I mean, it's capable in so many ways. It's growing to be its own editor. It has captions, it has AI entrance, it has B-roll selection, it has, do I keep going here? You can add any other videos in there. You can add music, add voiceovers, and there are the quality of 11 Labs. So yeah, Opus Clip is gonna be really hard to beat for sure. All right, so what we're gonna look at is not only that the clips are shortened, but also that the descriptions that are written and the titles that are written are good. Now, what these apps are supposed to do is actually take those videos, cut them short because they were designed for podcasts and social media promotion, and then they come with sort of like an SEO type of style, the ChatGPT type of thing, right? So they will generate the titles that are catchy, they'll generate descriptions that are catchy, and a bunch of hashtags for you, all automatically. The problem with Opus Clip sometimes is that I don't like the things that it does. Now, this is trending, obviously, because it's Google VO, but for example, unlock, those words, they're like very early ChatGPT stuff, and it still happens, right? Unlock and dashes or demystify, I don't know. There's another one out there, but unlock is a big one. Those are not so much the pluses of this. Now, if we go edit here, then I'm going to show you what Clap does. We're on Clap, and you can drop a video link here, right? So I'm going to take you to your favorite YouTube channel. I hope so. I'm going to take you to the YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, right? And so I can grab a video here. let's say, share, grab that link. And then what you do is you come over to Clap and you drop that link there. Okay, so this is the workflow for Clap. Clap says, all right, cool. Well, we're going to create new shorts. And here, apparently now I see that you have dubbing, you have trimming, reframing, captions. It's a little tricky because of the whole UI is a little different. But it seems that it has the capabilities that we have been discussing. So you have the selection of languages, okay, and dimensions. So that's the dimensions. So now what they did is pretty much put it in English, I guess. So you can, that's smart. I think it's a smart option because, some people may not know what 16:9 is or 9:16 or whatever. Of course, a quick Google search will give you that, but if you know video, you know that, or photography, but this is good. This is a good thing. And then you got the captions and the emojis. So all of that is set. I'm going to go ahead and set this up for a square. Let's say if it's a LinkedIn channel type of thing. And then the duration is there. So duration, they call it to be auto. So it's either going to be a minute or auto. And this is for shorts because we're doing shorts. Okay, cool. So that's shorts. Now, before I generate the shorts, there are some presets here. And Opus Clip gives you those as well. So let's say if you want to see the bouncing words and the emojis and things like that, this is where you do that selection. They seem to have about different 10 to 12 presets. That's kind of cool. And I think what's cool here, you can create your own. In Opus Clip, you modify one. I don't remember if you can create your own per se, right? So let me see here. We go back here. And so when you look at that notion, there was the preset. To create that preset, I have to go through the workflow to show that, but let me see real quick here. Well, since it's you folks, I'm gonna go ahead and spend some of my credits here for this. Another note that I wanted to give you, well, at the time they had the clip anyway thing, but let me see if it pops up here if I drop this link. So I'm dropping the link in Opus Clip. And Opus Clip is going to do its thing. So it gives you this workflow, right? And in this workflow, then you make the selections. And this is what I was talking about. It has the AI clipping. So the clip mode model can be clip anything or clip basic. And clip anything will give you all these other options. And to do that, that's cool. So I don't have to spend the credits. That's a good, it's a good thing. Good thing for everybody. All right, so that was it. That's Clap. That's Opus Clip. We're going to go ahead and hit this generate shorts. It's going to run its thing, and it's going to give you some directions. Now, what I think is interesting, look, you can be notified when it's ready. So Opus Clip does that as default. Here you can select it if you want it or not. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. And besides that, it seems to do the job. It seems to do the job well. Doesn't seem to have an issue. I was contacted by Clap, not getting paid by them, but I was contacted by them. They were curious about it because they saw the Opus Clip videos. So I agreed to take a look at it. So here we are. All right, so I take this out, and there's Clap. And so if we get out of there, show you the pricing here. I don't know where that's going to land us. So, I mean, $63 a month, that's a heavy price to pay for this type of stuff. It's long clip, short clip stuff. And $23 a month, still pushing it. I mean, I'm paying for Opus Clip and Opus Clip. If I go to Opus Pro, we could look at pricing. Yeah, see, you can't compete with that. There is no competition. I mean, yeah, this is, that's it. What's the verdict? What's the verdict here? If I can say that right, verdict. There's no competition with Opus Clip. You can't beat it. It's too good, and it's cheaper, and it continues to grow with all this capability. Now, let's say you don't have any money if you don't have any money, you want to do free, you want to do something that's kind of like free, here's what we can do. Go to CapCut. CapCut has AI tools, and the AI tools in CapCut do different things. You know, they're based on the models, right? So I love CapCut for that, because you can do everything in CapCut, but then it has the separate little applications that are like a page. You drop the video there and does the long to short. So I'm just gonna drop that video, the Google Flow video, just the screenshots, and look at this. 18 minutes selected. You go through this. I like this approach better. Even CapCut has a better sort of approach. You can trim it, add the you can add the captions here, so the caption template, and then the duration. It's a very simple UI. It's a much easier UI than anything else. I mean, yeah. So you hit that, get it going. We'll give you a disclaimer saying, hey, you're converting long to short. They're all going to tell you that you're supposed to use material that you have rights to, of course. So that's it. And this is going to load up, and we're going to go here. Let me show you something real quick that I think will interest you, is that we have the posts, and I just I made an update on the store, on the Stan Store. If you watch my video on the Stan Store, go check it out. You can join us right now. There's still 30 days left, I think, and you can earn $100,000. If you want an AI baby, I can make you one. It's only $10. All right, cool. So we closed that, we put that over, and so we see CapCut doing its work. 18-minute video, it's at 5%. And Clap, we're gonna log back in, see if I can do that. Okay, so we went to Clap. Here we see the Clap video. If you click on that, then you'll see it's still at 50%. So one thing that I know is that Opus Clip is also faster than that. So another note to take for Clap. So Clap is doing okay. It's I think it's it's not there. It has a lot of the features. They definitely pay attention to a lot of the features that are there. But it will be maybe difficult to try to beat everything that Opus Clip is doing. We have some interesting things here with editing or whatever, but regardless of the case, I mean, it's the same thing. With Opus Clip, you get the same thing and more and less price. So that's it. Thank you for watching, subscribing. See you in the next one.